Hey guys, Angel here with the Bullish Bears team. I am making the watch list video for tomorrow, the 26th, which is a Friday, so we're just going to do the day trade watch list today and not the swing trade because we don't do swing trades into the weekend. So I have the S&P futures pulled up, and you can see that it is trading in between the support and resistance, and it hasn't been able to break this resistance here 1, 2, 3 times. So it could just continue to trade in a range. You can see that it is within an ascending triangle as well. And we'll see what happens tomorrow, but it could just continue to trade in the range because if you see over here, I have the nightly scan and you can see there aren't very many stocks on there. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. So we just might not have a lot of stocks to put on the watch list tomorrow. So OIS, okay, so this one, it had earnings, and it sort of made like a bull pennant and then kind of just dropped out of that. So let's see what the hourly looks like. All right, so it is a bull pennant on the hourly. It's not overbought anymore. However, it did close below the 9, but I do like, it's like a perfect bull pennant. So I'll put that on for tomorrow. It'll have resistance at the 21.27, which was the high of day today. So it's got a bull pennant on hourly. Watch for resistance, and I just noticed that changed to below. Watch for resistance at 21.27. So that is OIS. Okay. I just noticed that sorry, got a little distracted. Life. Let's take a look at life. Alright, so I don't like this doji candlestick. It would run into resistance around like 67 cents, which I also don't like, but we can look at the hourly just for grins and giggles because it might tell us, yeah, I don't like anything about that. It just looks really messy. Didn't have a lot of volume, and volume is key, so I'm going to skip that one. ARCI, and that would be a no. VGWCF, that is also a no. You can see it's only been trading since the first of the year. It's at all-time highs. I don't know where it's going to go from there. It's overextended. It could keep going up. It could come down. So I don't like having a stock that has no previous support or resistance in this case. All right, so CPRX. All right, so it had to move up off of the 9 EMA. So there's no support or resistance that we can see on the daily. So I'll take a look at the weekly. There's none on the weekly. So it might be at all-time highs. We'll take a look at the monthly, and it is not. So let's see. Next level of resistance is this 743, which is all-time highs. So you can see it's sort of like bull flagged, but it had a really long flag. Let's take a look at the hourly, see what the hourly is showing us. It's a bull flag, it's a bull pennant on the hourly, so I like it. And 743 is all-time highs. So bull pennant on hourly. Watch for resistance at all-time high of 743. All right, so that is CPRX. Okay, let's take a look at SRUTF. All right, so I don't like that it ended on sort of this FU pattern, but it could be a bear flag. You can also see a bull flag trying to form. Let's take a look at the hourly, see what the hourly shows us. Not a fan of what I see on the hourly. It's sort of like a symmetrical triangle, which it's going to run into resistance pretty quickly. Let's take a look at mark because I didn't like that other one. Nope, that's rejecting off support and resistance. So let's take a look at GNC. And that's rejecting off this resistance right here. Has earnings. Earnings were today. Or last night. And that just, yeah, I don't like that it's so close. It closed at resistance. I don't like that. So RBZ. Oh boy. That's just like kind of fallen. And you can see some pumps. I don't like that. AXTI. And that rejected off the 200. It is easy to borrow because that's sort of like almost like a shooting star. Let's look at the hourly and see what the hourly shows us. Maybe we'll see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I like that it's above the moving averages. It's got resistance at 593. So 571 and 593 are going to be your resistance. So I do like stayed above moving averages on hourly. Watch for resistance at 200, estimate on daily, and 593. Okay. So that is AXTI. In XTTF. Oh. Okay, so this I like. The moving averages are crossing. So the 9 is about to cross over the 20, which I like. If it can break above that 72 cents, it's got room up to like about $1. And then up to that 112. Let's take a look at the hourly. What does the hourly show us? So it's bull flag on the hourly. I like it. It is a little bit oversold, so just be aware of that on the hourly at least. Alright, so we're going to do above, I'm just going to do 67. Okay, so bull flagging on hourly. And I noticed that changed to below. If price can break 72 cents, watch for resistance around $1. All right, so that is NXTTF, HUSA. All right, so that had a lot of volume today. It's tanking in the after hours, though. Let's look at... So its volume didn't come in till the end of the day. I don't like what I'm seeing on the charts, so I'm going to not put that one on today. So we'll take a look at the last one, which is YUMA. Okay, so this one... Let's see, it's got resistance around 75 cents. Let's take a look at the hourly. Okay, so it's got this high wave candle on the hourly. It's kind of bull flagging up though. So I do like how it closed. So if it can break the 57 cents, it's got room up to, we'll do 53. So bull flagging on hourly. If price can break 57 cents. Forgot the K. Break 57 cents. Watch for resistance around 75 cents. All right. So that is going to be our watch list for tomorrow. Again, we don't do the swing trade watch list on a Friday because we don't like holding over the weekend. So if you are not yet a member over here at bullishbears.com, you can come over here to our subscribe button and you will see that we've got a 14-day free trial for our monthly. Our yearly does not have that because you get access to our next level training library, which has a lot of good stuff in there. So if you do buy the yearly, you don't get a refund should you cancel. So if you buy the yearly, then you're stuck with us for the year, and just take advantage of everything that we have, because trust me, it's worth it. This is the only trading company that I have ever taken any of their courses with or anything like that. And I started 3 years ago not knowing anything, and then look at me now. I'm making watch list videos because I took their candlestick courses and I learned how to day trade and swing trade and trade options. So I am a living testimony that their product works. It is worth the money. You get access to their day trade rooms with both memberships, and you see all the stuff that they teach in there. It's like going to a class every day for a couple of hours in trading. And if you can't watch it during the day, if you are a part of our yearly membership, then you can watch the replays. So you can watch whatever they record that day, we take and we put it into a playlist, and then you can rewatch it. And even if you did watch it that day and you saw something that you just loved, you can go back and rewatch it again. So it's just a really great tool to take advantage of. They have their trade ideas that they screen share for you guys, so you can take advantage of that if you don't want to buy your own. And it's just a really great tool all around. So subscribe, and then you can come up here and choose a room. And we've got all of our courses. And again, these are the courses that I took. This is how I learned to trade, and I have been pretty good at it, if I do say so myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will see you all tomorrow, and have a good night, and I will see y'all later.